Hi, this is Fred Litt. Welcome to Workflow in Style, where you will learn to use your personal technology to be more organized, make better presentations, and enhance your bottom line. Our topic is iPad Notes, Gmail, and Dropbox, where you will learn to create notes on your iPad and have them copied to Gmail and Dropbox. Let's get started. As I begin, I have Gmail open in Internet Explorer on the left, and on the right I have my iPad mini open. The first thing we have to do is to go to Settings and make sure that my Gmail account has Notes turned on. So I'm at Settings in my iPad mini. I'm going to tap on Mail, Contacts, Calendars. I'm going to go to my Workflow in Style email address, and now I'm going to tap on Notes to turn it on the right-hand side. As soon as I do this and refresh the page, you'll notice that a Notes label has automatically been created. And every time I create a note on my iPad mini, it will automatically be labeled in Notes, which is really great. So in my iPad mini, I'm going to go back to my desktop, I'm going to tap on Notes, and I'm going to create a new note. So in the upper right-hand corner, I'm going to tap on Create a New Note, and I'm just going to type in something. So I'm going to tap inside the note and type in, "This is my first note." There's no save feature, but when you tap on Notes in the upper left, it brings up the list of all the available notes, and as you can see, it created that first note, and now the note has appeared. It sometimes takes a couple of moments for this to happen, so you have to be a little patient, but that's pretty great. So now let me open up the note and make sure it has what I think it does. This is my first note. That's terrific. Okay, I'm going to go back to my inbox. Now I'm going to go back to the note on my iPad mini, tap on it, and I'm going to type in a couple of extra lines. This is line 2. This is line 3. And I'm going to hit Notes in the upper left, which should save it. Now again, it'll take a couple of moments, but when I go back to that note, it will include these changes. So you can actually edit the note on the iPad mini, and it will find its way into the note. So now in Gmail, I'm going to refresh this. Open up the note, and as you can see, the 2 lines have been entered. That's pretty good. Now this only goes one way. I can't make changes to the email that I just received, but if I need to make any more changes to the note on my iPad mini, it will find its way into this note. Now I'm going to show you how you can delete the note. So on my iPad mini, I'm going to open up the note by tapping it. And as you can see, there's the garbage can in the upper right. So I'm going to tap on that. I'm going to delete note. Now I'm going to go back to my desktop. I'm going to refresh this. Click on Notes. And as you can see, the note is gone. So now let me show you a couple of other capabilities when you're creating a note. So let me tap on Notes in the upper left, and now I'm at New Note. Tap on it, and I can normally start typing, but on the keyboard in the bottom left you can see there's this picture of a microphone. So I'm going to show you how we can use dictation instead of typing. So I'm going to tap on that. Hi, comma, this is my first note, period. New line. I hope you enjoy it, period. So I tapped on Done. As you can see, the speech recognition is actually pretty good. So if you don't like typing and you want to use dictation, this is a great capability. Now let me show you another dictation capability which is great, which is using Siri. So now I'm going to delete this. I'm going to hit the trash can. So as you can see, I have no notes. So let me go back to the desktop, and I am going to hold my finger down on the menu button, which will initiate Siri, and then watch how I create a new note using Siri. Hi Siri, create a note. This is my first note, period. New line. This is the second line. Now I'm going to go back to Notes. And now I have another note. And look, Siri created it automatically for me. So let me delete this. So now just to demonstrate from scratch, I have no notes. I'm going to go back to Siri. Hi Siri, create a note. Don't forget to get milk later. Period. I have a meeting later this afternoon, period. Don't forget to get an oil change tomorrow, period. So now I see a note has been created, and it's got it absolutely correct, which is really pretty cool. So I'm going to delete this. So now I'm going to create a note and add a photo to it. And I'm going to tap on the center of the screen. I'm just going to type in, this is a photo I took recently. Now I'm going to go to my photos. I'm going to tap on the menu button. I'm going to go to Photos. And here I have a photo of my town clock. So I'm going to hold my finger down on this photo until Copy appears. I'm going to tap on Copy. Now I'm going to go back to the note. I'm going to hit the menu button, go back to Notes. Now I'm inside the recent note. I'm going to hold my finger down again in the center of the screen until Paste appears. And now I'm going to tap on Paste, and look, it just included that photo in my note. So now I'm going to hit the Notes button in the upper left. Now the only thing that's a little weird about Notes is it doesn't have an explicit save feature. So it does either an automatic save, or what I like to do is I like to go back to the menu. And then from there, I believe that it begins transmitting the note to my Gmail. So now that I've completed this note, let's see what actually happens. I'm going to refresh my Gmail page. Click on the email, and there it is. So if you take a photo, you want to add some commentary to it and have it find its way into your Gmail account, from which, of course, we can forward it to someone else, or we can repurpose this content into a Word document or something. That's pretty cool. Let's go back to my iPad mini, and let's assume I want to add this to my Dropbox account. So I'm going to tap on the Share button in the upper right, and as you can see, there's an option, Save to Dropbox. So I'm going to tap on this. And so it asks me what Dropbox folder I want to save it to. So I'm going to tap on Choose a Dropbox folder. So I'm going to save this to my iPad Word docs. I'm going to tap on Choose, and now I'm going to tap on Save in the upper right. So now I'm going to go to my Dropbox account. So I'm going to close Gmail. I'm going to hit Start E, tap on Dropbox. I'm going to go to iPad Word Documents, double click. And I see there's the file, but it's put in as a text document, so that doesn't do me much. So this works nicely if you want to save a text file, but may not work well if you want to include a photo. I hope this video has given you new ideas to help you save time and stay competitive. If you found this presentation helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the Workflow and Style channel. Your comments and recommendations are always appreciated. This is Fred Litt. Thanks for watching.